Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome. My name is Darla, and I am excited today because I want to give you a demonstration, another demonstration about Darla's edge bands. They're for women with any type of hair loss. They're for women with a bad hair day. They're for women who just want to change their look every day. So just to have some fun, I'm excited to show you guys all the different types of edge bands. You can get them in different styles, different colors, as well as different lengths. Anyway, let me introduce you guys to, I don't know, we can call her Shalonda. So this is Shalonda, all right? Shalonda is wearing one of my edge bands. So let me show it to you. These are edge bands. They're stretchable. They're very lightweight, and they are made with human hair. So Shalonda is going to go out today. She doesn't have any hair, and she's okay with that. But today she was wanting to have some type of hairstyle. So she grabs a edge band. She has one of her favorite hats. She puts on her favorite hat. How was that? And Shalonda is ready to go. Now, of course, they're human hair, so she can have them curled or she can curl it. She can shampoo it and wear it, again and again and again. So I'm going to give you a lot of different edge bands so you can just get an idea of what they are and how you can wear them. This edge band is baby hair, and Shalonda is going to wear it like this. You can thin this out if you like. You can bring it down, but this one has baby hair. Same thing. Take a hat, put it on, tighten it up, of course. Shalonda has a small head. And there you have it. You can go right out the door. Darla's edge bands. You can use them for so many things. No one has to suffer in silence anymore if they have issues with hair loss. Ladies, you can get any type of hair. I have a space in the front because a lot of times you don't want the hair in your face. Okay? They come in all sizes. Most of the time, one size fits all. I did make some a little smaller. I also made some a little larger. Again, grab a hat. You don't necessarily have to have a hat. You can put it on with a turban, with a scarf. Of course, this is a mannequin, so it's a little difficult putting it on. Okay, there you go. You can bring it back in a ponytail if you like. But, I mean, you're talking about 1 minute, ladies. You can put your hair back, put a stocking cap on, grab your edge band, put it on, put on a hat, cap, scarf, and you're out the door. Of course, this is what it would look like if you put a bandana around it. Just that simple, ladies. Just that simple. And you're out the door. How long did that take? I'm going to show you some more. You can get any length, any color. Here's a gorgeous, they call this like the silver, grayish, sexy. I can make the edge bands as thick as you want or as thin as you would like it. This one I curled, of course. Gorgeous. This person, I don't know. She might just want to put a little cute turban on. You could have an issue with hair loss, spending the night at someone's house, you know, decide, you know, you don't want them to see your hair, so you might come in the house with a cap on. But when it's time for bed, you're gonna go in the bathroom, the restroom, put on your night turban. I mean, it's actually cute enough to wear in the daytime as well. But no more worries, ladies. If you have hair loss, stop by my studio and let me help you to maybe just feel a little better. Again, human hair, you can shampoo them, you can curl them, you can get them in any color, any style. Here's another cutie. We have women who don't like a lot of hair on their heads. So this is a little bit more hair than the baby hair, but it's cute. It's colorful. Let's go with another style hat. I don't know. How about this one? It's cute. Let's tighten it up. And there you go. Out the door. Yep. What do you think? Ladies, Darla's Edge Band. Stop in at the studio. 9219 Indianapolis Boulevard. Any color, any style. Oh, how about that? For you jazzy ladies out there. Someone has purchased 2 or 3 and then wore one. They wore a different one each day. And they said one of their girlfriends thought that she had bought 3 different wigs. Little did she know, she saved money and bought 3 different edge bands. Oh. Again, you can stop by. It's a little crooked, okay? This hat is a little bit too big. I have to tighten it up. You can stop by the boutique at 9219 Indianapolis Boulevard. You can also check me out on YouTube. I have a YouTube station, YouTube channel. And you can also look at all the other videos that I have. Okay, this hat is a little bit too big, but okay. You guys get the picture. So I'm gonna show you a couple more. This one I made a little bit larger. Oh wait, come on, Blondie. Woohoo! Yes, baby. Oh my God. Do what you do, ladies. Here you are. Of course, this one I said is for someone with a larger head. So yep, I got y'all's too. Okay? There you are. Go on out the door, pull it back in a ponytail. Takes you what, 1 minute to throw your edge band on, throw that cap on, or scarf. Wait a minute, let's put it back on for a minute here. Let's put the bandana on here. Okay. There you are. Well, okay. I can do better than that. Okay. All right. If you have breast cancer awareness, you can also purchase a pink hat. I have them. Of course, this is a bigger one, so we're going to do it like this. I have some cute hats, actually. Yep. If you know anyone out there who's going through issues, they would be a very nice gift to give someone to lift their spirits up if they've had hair loss and had to do chemo. All right. We have another type of gray. Those folks who like that real light, silky white, or what I call silver hair. Boom. Ah! Okay, boom. Boom was right. All right. Okay. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Had it up, had it up, had it up. You can put a turban on as well. You don't always have to throw a hat. I'm just trying to keep it simple. You can put a turban on or a scarf on. Yep, 100% human hair. All right, so I also make beauty caps. So Shalonda's going to change. She didn't want an edge band, but she wanted to get a beauty cap. A beauty cap is an edge band attached, sewn, or glued to a hat. Now you can't get no simpler than that. Beauty in 30 seconds, ladies. 30 seconds. Throw this beauty cap on. You got your earrings on and your makeup, and you are out the door. Okay? Check me out. You can go to my website. You can also go to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Here's another cutie. I do make them for children as well. These are Darla's beauty caps. The beauty caps start at $45, depending on what type of hair you get, the length. Okay. You get off work, you didn't get a chance to do your hair. Go right in there and grab your beauty cap. If you have a special event and you need a special beauty cap made, then yes, 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 yes. All right, let me see. Uh-oh. There you go. This is a beauty cap made with a turban. Yeah, you can wear it to the side. Pretty much any way you want it, whatever makes you happy. All right, so Shalonda has given you guys some examples of Darla's edge bands and beauty caps. Feel free to give me a call or stop in at my boutique. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Darla McLaurin. Thank you guys. Have a great one.